Opa hat.
Acre, are you wearing Opa's hat?
Yeah, look at it.
Mine.
Is that Acre's hat?
From the Pussycat Dolls.
Mine too.
What are you doing, Acre? Say hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandpa. Hi. We're on video. Acre's on video. You like Grandpa's hat?
Yeah, it does.
What's that?
Look.
You gonna pick up your hat? That's Grandpa's hat.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
You gonna give Opa Knuffle for the video?
Come here. Come here.
Beautiful.
Come here. Look.
Oh.
Wait.
Wait, she's always wanting to squirm out of there.
You don't want it.
It's okay. It's okay, Acre. What's that? Okay, we're gonna say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
It's July 1st. Bye-bye. 2009.
What
Bye-bye.
Mika say?
Yes, he
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, that's what it says, wah. Yeah, wah.
What about the lion?
What the lion say? What they can say? What they can say?
Yeah.
That's what they can say? Hey, Ka,
He's scaring Grandpa.
look at this. Look.
He's sweet.
Look.
Acre, you're
look.
sweet. He gives you everything.
Look. Look at Mommy. Hey.
Bye-bye. Boom. Boom. Say bye-bye, Grandpa. Bye-bye.
Bye.